check and set the water hardness level of your LG dishwasher. To find out the water hardness level in your home, you can use the test strip that is supplied with the user manual package. The package contains a test strip and a comparison sheet. Immerse the strip in still water, so not under a running tap, for about 1 second. Now wait for about 1 minute, then compare the test strip color with the colors on the sheet. When you have found the corresponding color on the sheet, look up the level value in the product documentation. The level corresponds with a code that you need to set on your dishwasher. To check and change the current level, first make sure the dishwasher is turned off. Now press power and half load at the same time. You see the currently set level. To change the level, select Delay Start. To confirm the selection, press Start. To check if the selection is correct, press power and half load again.